Okay guys, hello and welcome to another Wendy VR16 video. Today, I know I already done a horror video last time with Lethal 8, but this time it's more scarier.
Yeah. This is called Fun Monkey Horror.
OG.
Wait, no. OG Fun Monkey Horror. And also just Fun Monkey Horror. And here's a Fun Monkey Horror.
And guys, if you end up liking this, we could do a part 2, maybe.
Wait, so which levels have we joined first?
Well, let's just go up and see.
But, you know...
Oh, Georgia, it's some levels. Dev Town, Crawl Space, Meat, don't go in here. Whatever you do, don't go in here. You cannot leave, I think.
Okay.
Sewers, Corner, 1, Quiet Place. George, I think we should do a easy one, like maybe Sewers.
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Well, George, this is scary and Fun Monkey Horror. George, come on.
Come on.
I love the echo. It's so cool. I'm just scared of you as a monster.
If you will see any type,
I don't like how he has just barely any. I could barely. Cause I decided away, you decide away. Joe, don't get scared, cause I'm getting scared, and then you make me more scared. What is? I think it's me too. It's. Wait. Well, come on, just go.
Come on. Wait, what? Do you remember a monster's body?
What? Does a monster spawn? What do you mean by a monster spawn?
I think he spawns like out really far.
Come on, let's just go. We can't. Okay, you pick a way. Yatway.
I pick Yatway.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Guys, I might have nightmares because of this game, so please like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you.
I'm really scared.
Finn, here's a turn. Okay, here's another turn.
A monster might just come like spawn right here.
George, come on. I'm getting scared. But imagine if I left and you would be so scared, right?
Yeah. And
to be honest, I would pee my pants if you left. So please don't. Cause
is pathway going forever?
No. Come on, just go. I can barely see, like, we could have left. But now,
let's just keep going.
Okay, now you keep going. I've been leading you this whole entire time.
Yeah, I've been before, but I don't remember what the body looked like.
Yeah, I am just. Do you at least remember what the Tinsy Wincy? Do you have your flashlight on?
Yeah.
If you don't, then it's so dark.
It is dark.
It's pitch black. If you. Okay, we shouldn't stay here. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
I'm getting pretty scared, but
shall we leave this level? I'm actually getting so scared.
Right where the view was.
Yeah.
And also, sorry I get reactions of me.
Viewers might laugh or be scared if you accidentally stuff.
But George, do you at least do you remember what they look like?
I think it was crouching down.
No, don't. Joe, I'm leaving the game. Guys, we just transport games. We transported games. George, where are you?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. What's over?
We would love some joy.
Wait, look. I
He
think.
wants to do crossface. He wants to do the crossface map.
That looks terrifying.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, bro, yes, Verity. Let's go to Verity. Bro, I think you have to enter this weird portal. Bro, are you in Verity?
Yeah,
Wait, someone try and looks with me.
Ah! Oh.
Verity kick ever. Hey! No way!
Hi. Okay, where is Verity? Verity, you a monster! No one cares about you! It's really cool.
Wanna hug Verity? Verity! Verity, do you wanna hug? No!
Sorry about that.
Verity!
Happy with
Give me a hug!
Do you know where I live?
your personal helper friend.
Daddy! Hey, yo.
Hey, Verity, follow me! Verity?
I'm hugging Verity, dude.
Hey, just something go over here! Hey!
I'm recording.
George!
I know. Me too. why you so
I'm
low?
Verity, your
Verity,
personal
give me a
helper
hug.
friend.
I'm your
Bro,
biggest
we
fan.
get
Give me
ya.
a hug.
How fucking long does it
That
take him to
timer-
turn? Oh.
Timer. Can I kiss you?
Guys,
Yo.
do you?
I think he wants to hug.
Guys, why is he floating?
Verity, hug.
Guys, I just transported.
Guys, nice. Look at what you did. Since you're freaking being weirdos.
Wait, guys, George!
Stop that. Stop.
When Verity turned into a
Yeah.
monster, let him eat you. I want to try a
Daddy.
different level. It's just a lot of stuff. Me, eat! George, make him eat you.
Just one.
George, press to exit.
I'm sad now. I'm sad.
Ah! Oh, that's better.
Go be dad.
Let's shoot.
Go
First level, shall we?
It's here. George!
Yeah.
Bro, should we try? Wait, bro, look at the vents monster. That's disturbing.
Sure. Let's go.
No, Joe, I don't want to go in the vents.
What's the new famous map? Jesus Christ.
George,
Mom.
I know where we should
so
go.
many people in that
Bolden
map, by
Man.
the way. 11.
Should we do vents?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It's Bolden Man. Bro, it's Bolden Man entered. George, I said it's Bolden Man entered.
I don't see no boarding man.
Bolden Man is here.
Please come in for
Bolden Man. We found Bolden. We found Bolden. Guys, I think he's glitched.
Yeah, I think he is.
Should we try a different level?
invisible guy.
Okay, Jude, first to exit. Boop. Join in room.
Check if you want it. What is it?
George. George.
Let's go to mine.
Okay. George, I'm going mines.
Me too.
Wait, guys. Look, mines is one of the scariest levels, I think. Oh my god, yeah, I already know it's gonna be terrifying. Guys, don't close the door!
No, that's Phil. Come. You got me stuck.
Oh no, sorry.
I found the place. There you go. Oh, yes, it's mine. Yes,
Well, this is like a nutty putty incident. If you haven't heard it yet, so a guy died in a cave because he was stuck.
yeah, no, he was stuck upside down.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a monster.
I'm running away from this floating with
No, I've seen
two
Uh,
realistic eyes.
To aid for what? What?
What even is?
Come here, George. How about I pretend I'm a monster?
Open the door.
Come here, George.
You
I
can't
think I just heard the actual monster kill
Nah,
someone.
bruh.
Seriously,
Then is your dog.
Bruh, why are we going towards it again?
it sounds was over here.
Wait, but which?
The sound was over here. Let's go over here. Go over here. I see people.
I think it must be over there. Here. Here.
Okay.
But look,
Wait. What?
yes, there's a other entrance. Look, the monsters there. Whoa, why does it kind of look like Cain? Hey, open the door. Thanks. Guys, I want to meet Cain again. I'm just gonna... Yeah, I know. Like a scary version. Like, which way did you think? Which way did you think he gone? That way or that way?
Purple, you going?
Whoa, where are you?
You just closed it.
What?
Yeah, you have
Whoa, where are you?
to.
Well, follow me.
Bro, let's open
George!
head off.
Okay, come in. George.
Brother, go there's what, bro?
I think a monster is over here.
Oh, far off. I
It's
think
over
I'm
here.
Idiot, why did he close?
Oh.
Well. I'm actually getting... Wait, let's do any, mini, minimal. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch.
Somebody close the goddamn door. I'm going to be so mad.
Wait. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. Oh, Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. Okay. Right here, what are you doing? George, should we try out other level? I'm leaving the level. Yeah, I'm dying so I can leave the level. I'm leaving. Okay, George, meet me at it. Meet me at. What? Okay, George.
What's going to the
Well, George.
What's going to
Since
Verity?
I decided
going to
over
Verity.
maps, you can decide.
Everybody join Verity.
Decide a map.
Everybody join Verity.
Decide a map.
I am deciding on that. Oh,
But
how about get to Huss rooms?
What
Huss.
map? I've never played.
Okay, I just.
Join the back room.
George, I'm going in the Huss rooms. Ah! Well, guys, I think 2 more maps and then it'll be the end of the video. I wonder. What is this? I wish I had Holy guacamole. Running from your demons. I keep on joking. Guess what? Yeah, no. Running from your demons until you blah 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 blah. Oh my god, it's like it. It's a hospital. Nah, it's coming for me. I don't see anything. Nope.
One day you will have to stop and find out what they want. Running from those demons till you are exhausted.
Well, hold on.
Till you are exhausted.
I am exhausted.
I know. More people? Literally.
Hey, bro. George.
Wait, guys.
I know by Vil how to Joe, follow a line, follow a line, follow me. I mean, follow a line. Captain Clark.
One day you will have to stop and question what they want.
Captain Clark Street.
That's a green button.
Until you are exhausted, one day you will have to stop and find out.
Did I just get money? Ha! Wait, which level did you enter? Okay, guys, we are now in sewers. After this, we'll do a one that looks really scary.
Which one is it?
We'll just ask people. Well,
Oh, yeah.
okay, don't fuss yet, because we barely even explored. Whoa, why is it so dark? Wait, here's a entrance here. Whoa! It's kind of like a little slide. Right.
Look at this.
It's a slide! What the? Whoa. I literally just died. Yeah. I said right, yeah!
I am waiting.
Oh! Guys, let's go the other way! Come on, quick. Before it finds us. This just makes it kind of... Whoa!
Oh, no.
George, go all the way! I sold it! What are you doing?
Get off.
I...
Off. You seem like light.
Bro, come on! It's right, it's literally over here.
Excuse me, sir. Is love me someone? Excuse me, sir. It's coming!
Bro, just run. Run!
Why?
No, it's gonna try to kill us.
This way.
This way? Oh my god, bro, it's good. It's coming for us in light speed.
Yeah. No. Like, faster than the Usain Bolt.
This is Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
Bro, can you see that Socrates fin?
Yeah, but what is speed? It's just like what but it is wait. I am Socrates. But if we are in sewer, then why is it so dark?
Because it's the sewers. People don't care about this place. Oh, which blind your eyes. I'm blinding your eyes with my light. Wait. Just to test, what happened if I turn a light off? Can I even turn a light off?
I think you can't for extra protection.
Well, that's good to know. Hopefully you can't turn it off. Drew, I think it's little safe platforms. Hopefully they're safe. Okay, it'd only be 3 minutes. It's only 3 minutes into this map.
Oh,
I'm here. Guys, should we do eeny, meeny, miny, mo? Okay, it's toe. This way. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Hopefully you eeny, meeny, miny, mo gets it right. Otherwise we'll die. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Jeez, we're doing yes a lot. I think Eeny, meeny, miny, mo's trying to save us. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Oh, yes way, yes time. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe.
But imagine if I skull just pop out of nowhere.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Ooh. I like how I'm doing eeny, meeny, miny, mo's. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
bro,
I'm-
just scramble anywhere. Just look for monster and scare the poops out of us. What the? I think I just got it money. Yeah, that's nice. Die. Come on. We heard it. We can't give up. Human skull.
I figure skull.
I see it. Yeah, it's here. It's gone this way. Oh my god.
Finally, we died.
Wait, come on. Oh. One more map. We'll do a scariest map. To look like it's so scary. Guys, I'll see you in sewers. Guys, bye. It's not sewers. I meant vents. I'm sorry for mispronouncing it. Nah. You're just actually so. And also, stuff. Leave it. Hello. Joe. What? Oh, I'm looking for my brother. Oh, where are you? Hello? Hello? Hello. Am I doing a mini game? Cool, I will flick on the lantern. George! Guys. George!
Meinst du so Sia?
No.
Meinst du dieses Mädchen Sascha oder wie die heißt?
George, just die! I'm
So
waiting
Sia?
for you.
Onkel von
George!
Gohan.
For you.
Irgendwo in irgendeiner Gruppe.
Krasner, I think I see you.
Das ist literally George Washington.
George!
Wait and see.
Okay, I'm entering. George! George! Okay, let's go use the van.
That was the
No, don't trust
I
you.
found you. SM guy.
Let's enter.
He over there. He over there. Black guy. What is that? What is that? What is
I
that?
literally just got the.
George Washington.
What the skibbity is he?
George Washington. Come this way.
Guys!
Come this way.
Whoa, there's literally another
Go
way.
this way. Go this way.
Yeah, go this way, guys. Come on.
This way. Haha.
I guess this way.
I'm alive. What? What?
George!
We just came back. Don't go over there. Come on.
George, what are you doing? Now I'm lost.
Hey
Oh,
guys,
great.
they're body tracking.
Well, at least I can hear voices.
It's no body tracking. Dude. It's no body tracking.
What? I found freedom!
There's freaking no body tracking in here. Whoa. If you put your head down, your body goes with it too.
Nah, it was coming for us.
Oh. There is body tracking, you liar. There's no body tracking. No body tracking. Hey, look up.
George, come on! What you doing? George, if this video get 10 likes, then I will do a part 2. Only 10 likes for you, please. Just 10 likes. Bro, look, I'm just gonna teach you a skill. Dude, come here. When you do yes, you can just look. Like yes. I'm here. George? Well, I guess I'm lost. Oh, wait. There's only 1 second. That's bad. George! George, I think I'm actually lost. Well, guys, see you later. Hope you enjoyed.